Here's the situation. I just installed the ceiling fan and these are too short, but not short enough, meaning this is about 7 feet 8 inches above the ground, that my son won't come up here and try to grab them, maybe pull this down off the ceiling. So I've decided to invest in these. They're kind of cool and they're pretty easy to install. You just take the old ones off, pop that off, goodbye. Light bulb for the light, and ceiling fan for the speed. And those are just long enough that he'll be able to reach up and get them without a lot of effort. If you're interested in getting a set just like this one, I'll post a link in the comments below. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home fixes and designs, making and breaking things, evaluations of sports gear and photography equipment, designs of sports gear and photography equipment, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.